Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we're going to be unboxing something. Well, you can see what it is. It's the Jeffree Star. These are the mystery gifts, mystery treats. And they're still on his website. I checked today. He has $6 ones and $14 ones. I got 2 of each. These are the Valentine's Day ones. I don't know. I don't think they're like specifically for Valentine's Day. These are just mystery. I mean, they're just mystery things. They're usually just from his regular collection. And I don't know, he didn't do like mystery boxes this time around. I guess maybe they're just not selling that well or something like that. I don't know. He usually does Valentine's Day mystery boxes, doesn't he? I think I got some last year. Anyway, this is going to be a quick video, and we're just going to dive right on in. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, cool. It's got that Scorpio packaging in it, and there we go for his Scorpio. I don't really like that Scorpio palette that much. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, it's a pretty big box here. We're just gonna dive right in. There's something big in here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's see if we can find something on the smallish side. Okay, there's like 2 really big things in there. Okay, maybe this is a $6 thing right here. Okay, maybe it's the 2 $6 things. Okay, alright, should I keep this? I don't think so. That's just white packing paper. Okay, alright, let's see. Let's put this down here a minute, and because we might be doing some swatching. Okay, I'm sorry, it's been a minute since I filmed a proper video. Okay, this is a lip balm. It's called Hydrating Glitz. I haven't heard of this. It's in the shade. Okay. This brand does this to me all the time. That is the name of it right there. I'm not going to say it out loud. This brand tries to get me every time. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that packaging. You guys, isn't that pretty? It's in the bullet lipstick form. And, ooh, look at that. It's all sparkly and stuff, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I don't know if you could see that or not, but it is kind of glitzy. Let's see if I can put this on top of my lip stain here. Of course, I'm going to transfer it. Gives it kind of a blue. You can't see it. This is really cool though, and it feels very, very nice. I like that. It does kind of give it a blue tint though. I mean, you know, an iridescent blue tint. You know what I mean. Yeah, you know what I mean. But I love that packaging. Oh my gosh. Lip balm. Does anybody know what this is from? What, is this from like the cotton candy, I don't know, it's like blue and pink collection. The cotton candy collection. Okay, what do we have here? It looks like a lip velour. Velour liquid lipstick. Yes, that's what this is. And the color. Oh, I like this color. Poinsettia. Is that how you say it? Poinsettia? Poinsettia? I don't know. Look at that color, you guys. Oh my gosh. Isn't that beautiful? And I can actually read it. Sometimes I can't not read. Oh my gosh. This I might actually have to put on my lips. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's like metallic red. That would make a very good Christmas color. Oh my gosh. Okay. I thought I said this video was going to be short, but I lied. Okay. I'm sorry. I've been at work all day. I have not touched up my makeup. Oh my gosh. It is totally metallic. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. I'm going to let this dry down. And then we're going to put this on top of it. Okay, I think it's dried down a good amount. So we're going to put this. I'm still not going to say the name. I just say lip balm. Like that. Give it a little blue iridescence there. Let's clean this off. I don't think it made much of a difference, but gotta check those teeth there, right? That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love those two things. Okay, well, we're doing a good job here. Hopefully, those other two things I do not have in my collection already. I do not have a whole lot of Jeffree Star stuff. That's why I like doing these mystery treat things. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this? Okay, here's something really big in there. This is a pink cashmere scented candle. Okay, I didn't know that he did candles. Oh, I do love a candle. I don't have a lot of candles here. I used to at my other house, but oh, what is this? Scent coconut soy blend. Is that coconut? What's it say on the back? Trim wick. Okay, just approximate burn time 45 hours. Oh, it smells more like that doesn't smell like coconut. That smells more like a cinnamon roll. That's what that smells like. It is Christmas. It is Christmas decorated, but that's okay. That's fine. That's no problem. Oh yeah, it does smell very Christmassy. I can always save it till next Christmas too. That smells really, really nice. Oh my gosh. I think it just, I don't think it meant that it was a coconut smelling. It was a like coconut soy blend, which means like coconut, like they use coconut oil. Okay. Put that over there. I'm going to actually put it back in the box that it came in. And put it over there and maybe save it for a little while. Oops. But that is cool. Sometimes with these boxes you do get things that are off season. Okay, what is this? What is this? A tumbler of double, a 20, what is that? A 220Z double wall tumbler. Okay. All right, we gotta check this out. Oh my god, it's got a little yak on it. Okay, where's the straw, guys? Where's the straw? Okay, I was about to say, do not disappoint here. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. And I love that it has a little yak on it. Oh my gosh. This is great because you know what? At the end of the day, these are the things, you know, you can have all the makeup in the world, but these are the things, you know, that you don't really buy for yourself. You don't really buy for yourself when you're like on the website and things like this. Things like the candles and the double wall tumblers, things like that. But you get them like as in mystery boxes or as like the mystery gifts and stuff like that. And it's really, really kind of special. So yeah, let's put the let's put the straw in. Okay, just wait. I think it goes like this. I'm not a big tumbler girl, but yeah, so that way it stays in like that. But that is beautiful. That color is like a blue and pink iridescent. Like, again, kind of like that cotton candy vibe that's got going on. Again, love the yak. Love the yak. Okay, this totally worth it. Totally makes it worth it. I don't know. I think this is great. I don't know. What do you think? Would you have rather gotten makeup? I like this. I like that we got makeup. I don't really need another eyeshadow palette in my life. I'm glad I didn't get any skincare products, really. And this, and I love candles. This and the candle, I'm really happy. I think this turned out really well. But let me know what you think. Would getting this and a candle disappoint you? Are you a fan of the brand? Would you like getting stuff like this, or would you be getting it for like the makeup? I want the makeup or the skincare. Give me the makeup and the skincare. Like I said, I get a lot of these mystery treats every time they come out, so I get a lot of makeup. Like I said, I don't have a lot of Jeffree Star makeup, but I have plenty of Jeffree Star makeup. I have plenty of makeup in general. So anyway, let me know what you think down below in the comments. I would love to know what you think. What do you think of these items? I love this lipstick and this lip balm. Oh my gosh, I'm going to carry this lip balm in my purse. And when somebody asks me what it's called, I'm going to say, none of your business. I'm just going to say it's a Jeffree Star lip balm. Okay. Anyway, okay. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you think that they would enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Whether you are a returning viewer, a returning subscriber, a casual viewer, or this is your very first time watching one of my videos, if it is, then thank you for picking this video to watch. If you like what you see and you want to see some more, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So with all that said, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic, amazing day today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that I'm thinking about you. I'm sending you out all of those good vibes. Send some my way if you don't mind doing that. And also, just be sure to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video. I'm a little sporadic these days, but I will see you in another video. Okay, all right. I'll see you when I see you. Okay, goodbye.